Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. K squared is equal to 8 times I. We need to find all possible values of k. So let's start. First of all, we suppose that let k is equal to a plus bi. Then this equation will become a plus bi whole squared is equal to 8i. Now by using this algebraic identity, a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. This a plus bi whole squared will become a squared plus b times I whole squared plus 2 times a times bi is equal to 8i. Next, a squared plus this bi whole squared will become b squared times I squared plus 2abi is equal to 8i. Next, a squared plus b squared times this I squared is equal to -1. So we replace this I squared with -1 plus 2abi is equal to 8i. Next, a squared plus b squared times -1 negative b squared plus this 2abi is equal to this 8i can be written as 0 plus 8i. Now we write this real part a squared minus b squared equal to this real part 0. We write this imaginary part 2abi equal to this imaginary part 8i. Like this, a squared minus b squared is equal to 0 and 2abi is equal to 8i. Now from this equation, to find the value of b, we divide both sides of this equation by 2ai. At right hand side we divide by 2ai. So this 2a will be cancelled out with this 2a, and this I will be cancelled out with this I. And from the right hand side, this I will be cancelled out with this I, and 2 4 times 8. So here we are left with b is equal to 4 over a. Now in this equation we replace this b with this 4 over a. Then this equation will become a squared minus value of b is 4 over a. This square will come here is equal to 0. Next, a squared minus 4 squared is 16 divided by a squared is equal to 0. And from this a squared we can write the denominator 1. We take LCM. LCM of 1 and a squared is a squared, and a squared divided by 1 is a squared. A squared times this numerator a squared, a to the power 4, minus a squared divided by a squared is 1. 1 times this 16 is equal to 0. Now from here we multiply both sides of this equation by a squared. So this a squared will be cancelled out with this a squared, and here we're left with a to the power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0 times a squared 0. Now this a to the power 4 can be written as a squared whole squared minus this 16 can be written as 4 squared is equal to 0. Now by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. This a squared whole squared minus 4 squared will become a squared minus 4 times a squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression a squared minus 4 is equal to 0, or this expression a squared plus 4 is equal to 0. From this equation we move this negative 4 to the right hand side, then a squared will be equal to 4. And if we take a square root of both sides, then this implies that a is equal to plus or minus 2. Now from this equation we move this plus 4 to the right hand side, then a squared is equal to negative 4. And if we take a square root of both sides, then this implies that a is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 4. Next, a is equal to plus or minus, this square root of negative 4 can be written as square root of 4 times square root of negative 1. Next, a is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 and square root of negative 1 is I. Now a is equal to plus minus 2 and a is equal to plus minus 2i. To find the values of b, recall that b is equal to 4 over a. Recall that b is equal to 4 over a. Recall that b is equal to 4 over a. First, in this equation we put this value of a plus minus 2. Then b will be equal to 4 divided by plus minus 2. And b is equal to 4 divided by plus minus 2 is plus minus 2. So from here we get a comma b is equal to value of a is plus minus 2 comma value of b is plus minus 2. Now in this equation we put this value of a plus minus 2i. Then this will become b is equal to 4 divided by plus minus 2i. Next, b is equal to 4 divided by plus minus 2i will become plus minus 2 divided by I. Now from here we multiply and divide this expression by I. So b is equal to plus minus 2 times I plus minus 2i divided by this I times this I will become I squared. This is equal to plus minus 2i divided by this I squared is equal to negative 1. This is equal to plus minus 2i divided by negative 1 will become negative plus 2i. So from here we get another pair. When a is equal to 2i plus minus 2i, then b will be equal to minus plus 2i. Now to find the value of k, recall that k is equal to a plus bi. Recall that k is equal to a plus bi. So when a is equal to plus minus 2 and b is equal to plus minus 2, then k will be equal to, in place of this a we write plus minus 2 plus, in place of this b we write this plus minus 2 times this I. Next, k is equal to plus minus 2 plus this plus minus 2 times I. This is the first value of k. This is the first solution of this equation. Now when a is equal to plus minus 2i and b is equal to negative plus 2i, then k will be equal to, in place of this a we write this plus minus 2i, plus in place of this b we write negative plus 2i times this I. Next, k is equal to plus minus 2i and negative plus 2 times this I will become I squared. Next, k is equal to plus minus 2i negative plus 2 times this I squared is equal to negative 1. Next, k is equal to plus minus 2i and this minus plus 2 times negative 1 will become plus minus 2, and this can be written as k is equal to plus minus 2 and plus minus 2i. This is the second value of k. This is the second solution of this equation.